Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really exciting because I have to share with you a huge mail friend that I just got it today. I received this huge box that it came all the way from Canada. This was supposed to be a a birthday gift for me, but due to the delay that happens now with delivery and so on, it came a bit later. But I'm so excited. You cannot believe, guys, I'm so excited because I feel that it's again my birthday. This morning I was expecting a order from a company, and when I heard the ring on the door, I thought is that courier, and I took the package. I look at it, it seems a bit strange, the handwriting, because usually the companies I have the labels printed, and when I checked I saw that it's coming from Canada, and I started to jump of joy. And my son, who saw me that I'm jumping, he came and joined me on jumping. Of course he didn't know why I'm jumping, but this huge package is coming from my friend Leah MacDonald, and I already opened it just to shorten the time that I will take to show you the product. And I have just sneak peeked 2 of the products, but in the rest I didn't want to check. I want to see together with you all the products that are inside. So if you don't know Leah is my first friend that I have made through this YouTube platform. So we know each other from more than 1.5 years, I think. We are communicating, we are truly friends, just we are separated by this distance. Leah is the most kind, optimist, so she's that person that gives you positive energy. And I was really needing something to brighten this week because it was a bit a tough week for me. We had some issues even with my son, but now everything is almost to be sorted out. So yeah, there is that. So the fact that I received this package today, it's amazing. Just the fact, guys, that someone is thinking and putting some things together because they think that they are working for you, it's the most gift that you can receive from someone. So on the top of this package, I found this letter, which is handwritten. I will not read you what is inside, but just I want to tell you something which I liked. So from her letter I got the message that I really love, that my birthday has been extended and I can celebrate it again. So why not? Why do not feel that every day from your life is like your birthday? Yeah, so I think this is everyone wish, and I wish everyone feel that every day from their life is their birthday. If you don't know anything about Leah, her channel is mostly similar like mine. So she's doing a makeup tutorial, she'll do unboxings, get ready with me, and she's also doing a shop my stash video that I love so much because she's going through all her makeup and she's rotating in that way that she will not pick another palette until she went through her entire collection. And she's so organized, and I so much admire that on people. I will have Leah's channel linked down below. Go ahead and check her out and tell her that I sent you there. The first product that I was able to see when I opened the package, it is from a brand. So I was so excited because it is from a brand that I wanted to try from so long, and I hope I'm not touching my mic because otherwise it will be a disaster. So this is by the brand Flower Beauty. So this is Light Illusion Perfecting Powder. What is this? So it's a powder. I think it's a powder foundation, I suppose. After how it looks like, it should be a powder foundation. Let's open it up. I need to bring a scissor, so just BRB. Meanwhile, I managed to open it. So yeah, it looks like this is a powder foundation because it's coming here with a sponge, which is actually really nice, and a mirror. Love that. Maybe when I was in my early, I was having something like this, and yeah, it looks like the shade will match me. And today I'm not wearing any foundation, I just put a light makeup on, but I said do not put too much makeup because I'm dying to play with everything that I got here. And guys, I want to show you how nice and well are the products packed inside. So she took so much time to pack everything individually, so I love that. I'm sure that everything is perfect, in perfect condition. So yeah, this is the first product. Guys, now I see that she wrote me that the Flower Beauty powder, some people say that it's a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury one, the flawless setting powder, so that's really nice. I do not have that powder from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, the second product that I see is by Too Faced, and guys, I kid you not, I almost bought this palette. So let's remove the packaging. So this is the Too Faced Tutti Frutti eyeshadow palette, Rebel Desert Berry. Wow, I'm so excited about this. I wanted to get something from this collection, but I don't know why I didn't. I said maybe I will get it on the winter. So look at the packaging. This is so stunning. The shades are so nice. And there is a scent of strawberries. I had no idea about this. I think there are 2 palettes on this collection. There is some pineapple and this Razzle Desert Berry eyeshadow palette. Okay, so yeah. Really excited. Oh my god, Leah. So this is how this swatches. I know those are some pity swatches. Maybe I will insert some good swatches when I will edit the video, because this palette deserves it. But yeah, thank you, Leah, so much. Next product. It's a... wow, this is a blender sponge by the OIA Studio. And I know someone that loves this blender so much, and I wanted to try it. I'm obsessed with beauty blenders. This is so soft. I'm looking forward to try it. The next product, it seems to be a brush. OIA Studio F19. This is like a highlighting brush. This is so soft. Oh my god, I love it. I'm not wearing any highlight on today. This is so soft. Wow, I love brushes so much. Leah knows me. What next? Next is another package. I suppose that it is here. I just saw it. Oh my god. This is by a brand that I also cannot have here. This is by CoverGirl Cheekers in the shade Brick Rose. I think this is the one that Emily Noel raves. Let me read, because I've seen something that she mentioned here. I picked up the CoverGirl blush for you, one of the Cheekers ones that Emily Noel always talks about. But this looks like a nudish tone, which for sure will look perfect on my cheeks, especially now that we are on the fall. But this also can be used as a eyeshadow if you want so. So I think it's really versatile. It has some sheen to it, but it's really subtle. Yay! Thank you, Leah. Here we have a set of brushes. Oh my god. Those are a Shop Missy brushes, the 10 pack. You never can have too many brushes. You have the logo OIA, and looks really sturdy, guys, so you can use it for travel when we will be able to travel. So wow, there are eye brushes. I love them. I love so much eye brushes. This, it looks like a crease blending brush. This is so soft, and the handle is really pretty, and it's short. It's not that long. You know that I have a problem with too long handles, so this is perfect. We have a... this is also a blending brush, but it's more angled. Those brushes are so soft, you cannot believe. So this is E125. What else we have? We have a double-ended, a spoolie and a brow brush. Love this. I don't have this kind of brush. This is a pencil brush, really useful. I do not have enough of those brushes. You can use it for detail, or you can even use it to point conceal if you want. So this looks like a petite crease brush, similar with the one that I have from Zoeva. This is a very good dupe for the Zoeva 221 brush. This is mostly like a shader brush, so it's E129. And another 3 more brushes. This looks like more detailed brush. This is a shader brush, or you can use it for conceal, I think, if you want so. And this is also a small blending brush. So excited! Next we have more blenders. Okay, so this is by Emax Design Mecha Sponge Applicator, and they are in three sizes. I'll better take them out. This is Julia fighting with the packaging. Old good fight. This reminds me of the Real Techniques sponges, so this is for sure good to use it for your concealer. This is a bit bigger, so this is medium size, and this is your traditional foundation sponge, and also they are really soft, so I'm really curious to see how they are working. This is a foundation by Flower Beauty. I cannot believe. Oh my god, this is a foundation by Flower Beauty. I'm not yelling so much because my daughter is sleeping, so I might wake her up with my noise, but I wanted so much to try the Flower Beauty brand, and Leah knows me that I'm a foundation addict, so look at the packaging. This is so pretty. So this is All Day Wear SPF 15 foundation, luminous makeup, nude skin feel. So this is coming with a pump. This seems a shade that it will match me. It is my perfect shade. And I also love the undertone. For sure, it will match me. Thank you, Leah. You managed to pick a shade for me better than I did, because I just recently purchased a foundation from e.l.f. and I think it's a bit lighter for me. Oh my god, now there are coming some eyeshadow palettes. How many things she bought for me? I'm overwhelmed. I'm already... I think I'll start to cry. We have here an eyeshadow palette, and I think this is by... this is C-Color Cosmetics brand, and I remember that she has so many beautiful palettes from this brand, and I wanted so much to try them. So let's see how it is inside. Wow, I think this is a dupe from one of the Natasha Denona palettes. I think the gold palette, if I'm not wrong. Look how well it's packaged. So this is for sure very travel friendly. So we had that, and now we have also this plastic on the top, so the plastic is sealed. The colors are so pretty. I think I will not swatch it now, maybe just a couple of shades, because I'm running out of time. The pigmentation is crazy, so I kid you not, those look like Natasha Denona quality, because I have some of her palettes. So look guys, and this green here, I'm so impressed. I'm so happy that I have this, because this is another brand that I wanted to try. Next palette is also by C-Color Cosmetics, and this is a dupe for the ABH Sultry palette. I never had that palette. I wanted to grab it, but I miss that trend. So look at the packaging, it's gorgeous. Oh yeah, this looks exactly like the ABH, and guys, all the palettes are sealed on this way, so this is impressive. So this is how the palette looks like, and for sure she picked this up because she knows that I do not have the sultry, because she knows all my ABH palettes. We have one more palette. I know what is this. I think this is, I think this is a dupe for the one of the Jeffree Star's eyeshadow palettes. Let me check it. I think she has this palette, and I love that palette. Yeah, from the Androgyny eyeshadow palette. Look at those pan size, guys. Those are huge. I even don't think that Jeffree Star's eyeshadows are so big. I have one of his palettes, but I think the shades are a bit smaller, so I don't know which one of the palettes I will play sooner, because I want to play with them. I'm like a child in a candy store now. Maybe I will insert some swatches when I will edit, because yeah, this is really nice. I'm so excited. Oh, thank you, Leah. Thank you so much. Hopefully everything arrives safely. Yes, everything is arrives safely. Happy birthday again, my friend, Leah. I'm overwhelmed with the quantity of the makeup that she has put together. I have makeup for almost a full face. So I have eyeshadow palette, I have brushes, I have foundation, I have powder. So now, and of course sponges. So now I need to start playing with my makeup. So I'm so excited, and I want to thank her and also to wish her a happy Thanksgiving, because I know this weekend in Canada there will be a Canadian Thanksgiving that is prior to the American one. So I want to wish her a blessed Thanksgiving day. Yeah, this is everything that I got from my friend Leah. Thank you so much, Leah, from the bottom of my heart, from everything you sent me. And as you said on the letter, I hope that someday we will have the chance to meet in person. I think this is my wish. If I will be able to meet you, it will mean everything for me. Just to see you next to me. It will be wonderful. So hopefully we will be able to meet each other in person in this life. I'm looking forward for that. Okay guys, so thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and don't forget to check also Leah's channel. I will have it linked down below. And other than that, I hope you are all safe. Happy Thanksgiving to all my Canadian friends, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. And for the rest of you guys, have a great blessed weekend. Bye bye.